In this video, I'll show you how to sign a PDF document on a Samsung phone. So this is the document that we're going to be signing. The first thing you need to do is come to your Play Store and download the Microsoft 365 Copilot app. Once you've done that, open it up, and in the top left, press these three lines, and then come down and select Apps. After that, you're going to want to open the PDF tools, which should be the very first one just here. And then it'll give you a list of options that you can choose from. We're going to select sign a PDF and then press open. That's going to let you choose from your files, so select the file that you want to sign and it's going to open it up, and at the bottom you'll see it says tap where you wish to sign, so we're just going to tap the bottom here. Now if you've never used Microsoft 365, it won't have your signature saved. So we're going to be creating a new one. It's going to turn your phone and you basically create your signature. Here's my excellent signature. Once we've done that, we're going to press on this blue check mark in the top right. And now we can see the signature is on the screen. To move it, you simply tap on it. As we can see, it's hanging off the page a bit, so you tap on it until you see these 4 circles appear, and you can drag it across, and you can also make it bigger or smaller. Once you've done that, press on the check mark in the top left and it will be saved. So that's how to sign a PDF document on a Samsung phone. Thank you for watching.